Hello everyone, my name is Dylan and today I will be teaching you about stationary function and how it can be applied in financial mathematics. So for once, to find the stationary point, at first you have to find the first derivation of the revenue function first, which equals to division, and then you have to equalize this from 0. And then after you found the derivation, you have to find the second derivation of this and see if it would be equal to 0 or more to 0 or minus to 0. So, for example, I've got the question I've made personally for this, just to show better on the financial. The problem is, consider a revenue function that represents the revenue in dollars generated by selling X unit of a certain product. Revenue function is Rx minus 2x power 3 plus 12x power 2 minus 18x plus 8. Find the stationary point and what it translates to financially. So first you have to derivate the revenue function first. To derivate, you basically use this. X would translate to your x times 2 plus 24 for x. This has to translate to 0. Just to make it easier, I will divide it by minus 6 just to simplify and make it easier. Here. After dividing it, we got x plus 2 plus 4 minus 4x plus 3 equal 0. So from this we factorize it, which would equal to x minus 3 and x minus 1. This both have to equal 0 just to follow this rule basically. They're getting the factorization, then x in this equals 3, and x in this equals 1. To determine whether each stationary point represents a maximum or minimum, first you have to analyze the second derivative of revenue function, which is basically the second derivative of this function. The second derivative of this function would equal to 2 minus x plus 24. So you add in the x from this. For example, we try to use 3 plus 24. This would then equal to minus 12, which is more than 0. More than 0 with maximum. Meanwhile, the second derivation using x equal 1 would go to 12 1 plus 24. That would go to 12, which is minimum. As we found the stationary point of the two, to determine the financial interpretation of stationary point, you substitute the critical point back to the revenue function. For example, using x1 first, using this function would equal to minus 2, 1 over 3 plus 12. So 1, 2 plus minus 18, 1 plus 8. Once you substitute all that, the result should be 0. Same goes to, do the same thing using the third one. 23 plus 12. 3. Just to save time, the answer would be 8. Which means that, therefore, using the stationary point at x equals 1 means that when 1 unit is sold, the revenue is 0. But when 3 units are sold, the revenue is $8. As the function has mentioned, generate a certain unit using to represent revenue in dollars. Anyway, this has been my explanation, and thank you for listening.
Okay, hello, I'm Zahra Media Witza. Now I will solve the question about maximum profit. The given is TC equal QA squared plus 4QB squared plus 2QA QB. And the price for goods A is 8 and price for goods B is 10. So now first we find TR for each goods. R for goods A is the formula is Q times P. So QA times 8 the price for A. So AQA. For R B, same like ER for goods A, QB times 10. So 10 QB. And now for ER or all R A plus ERB AQA plus 10 QB. This is the TR. And then we found the profit. The formula of profit is P equal TR min TC. We substitute this one with this one. Sorry, this one. So the AQA plus NQB minus QA, that's P. So the final is min QA quadrat minus 4QB quadrat plus AQE plus 10QB minus 2QAQB. After this, we must find the derivative QA and QB. First we find QA first. The derivative of QA is min QA minus 2QB plus 8. And for derivative QB is minus 2QA minus 8QB plus 10. equals 0, okay? After this, we eliminate this minus, so the answer is minus 6 QB plus 2. So the final is 6 QB minus 2 equals 0. So the QB is 1 per 3. And the QA, we find to find QA, we must substitute QB to this equation, or the equation for QB or QA. So the QA is 11 per 3. This is the answer for question number 8. So the QA is 11 or 3, and QB is 1 or 3. And for B, the question for B, it's we must substitute QA and QB to this equation. So E equal mean QA quadrat mean 4QB quadrat plus 8QA plus 10QB minus 2QA QB minus Q what mean for number 3 quadrat plus 8 3 plus and 130 plus 2 11 3 1 3. The total is this is wrong. So the total is 49 per 3. This is for the maximum profit from 2 goods types. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Bunga Devriani. I will show you about question example. Well, maybe this is it's about there is a manufacturing company from Java Island who make a product that now the TC is 3,000. That was 400. That is, and this one is asked about the AC, and the one is to specify the DC and AC if the key is 400. Well, for the AC one, well, that's about the AC. So DC divided by quantity. And this one is already over here. It's already known, so we just point it here. And plus 100 key. And plus plus 400 here, and divided with, and the one is on key, so key, the quantity. So here we need to eliminate the key first and the AC. So 400 key into 100 key plus 400 divided by key. So this is the AC, and the second one, if the TC and EC, if the key is 40, so the TC, like as we saw that, it's key 2 plus 100 key plus 400, and then so we just inputted the key here because the quantity is known is 400, so we need to only put the key is 400. So like this, wait, this is, okay, since the key is known, so it's about 450 and 6. 600, it is, yes, and this is 600,000, and this 40. No, 40,000. So this, and then the total is 24/7, 4090. This, and for the AC, it's about 4,050, 100 plus 400. Plus 400 divided by 400,000 divided by 400. So 4,000 is 1 point 100. So the second one is 400, and this one is 10,000. And for the score is 2,400. So like that. Okay. Yeah. 1 point like that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Faras Hadi and I'm from class ICT 3. Today I will explain about matrix First of all, what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. So, example, this is row, this is columns. For matrix can be added, subtracted, and multiplied. The addition and subtraction of matrices are performed element-wise, meaning that the corresponding elements of the matrices are added or subtracted. So let's jump to the question. So this is the question. A company produces 3 products: product A, product B, and product C. The production process requires the use of 2 resources, resource X and resource Y. The resource requirements per unit of each product and the available resource are given by the following matrix. So this is the resource requirement matrix. And the available resource matrix is find the maximum number of units of each product that the company can produce without exceeding the available resource. To solve this problem, we can represent the resource requirement matrix as A and the available resource matrix as B. We need to find the matrix C, which represents the maximum number of units of each product that can be produced. So this is matrix A. This is matrix A, and this is matrix B. And C is so that is C. To calculating the transpose of matrix A. So we do this. Okay. now we multiplying the matrix. So C equals and then plus 1 plus 4 6 plus 1, and the result is C equals therefore the maximum number of units of each product that the company can produce without exceeding the available resource is product A 22 units, B 36 units, and C is 0 units. Why is C 0 unit? The company can produce 0 units of product C because the resource requirements of product C exceed the available resource. So that's all from me. Thank you guys.